Have you ever wanted to grow your own exotic berries at home? Imagine the joy of harvesting a bounty of unique, flavorful fruits right from your backyard. The thrill of cultivating exotic berries is unmatched. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to grow these delightful fruits in your own garden. First, you need to choose the right berries for your climate and soil type. Consider exotic options like goji berries for drier soils or cloudberries for cooler climates. Perhaps you might fancy growing the sun-loving acai berry. Once you have chosen your berries, you are ready to start planting. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Planting your berries is a simple process. Start by preparing the soil, ensuring it's rich and well drained. Then plant your berries, considering the right depth and spacing. With your berries in the ground, you are one step closer to a bountiful harvest. Now that your berries are planted, they need a little TLC to thrive. Regular watering, fertilizing, and pruning are crucial for your berry plants. These steps ensure that they grow healthy and bountiful. With proper care, your berries will be ready to harvest in no time. The best part of growing your own berries is the harvest. Spotting ripe berries is an art. Look for vibrant color and a slight give to the touch. Picking should be gentle to avoid bruising. Now, all that's left is to enjoy your homegrown exotic berries. Growing your own exotic berries is a rewarding and tasty hobby. We've walked through choosing, planting, caring, and enjoying these delicious fruits. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at the transformation. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!